Dishwashers League. And we already have an attack by Blue Chick. And the keeper! What the fuck?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 1v1 situation. Look at those sexy moves. Never mind, some high-level skills by female Pinaldo.
We see a shot, saved, but the net is open. How do you miss that? And they want equal pay. Somgill has the ball. Ooh, saved by the crossbar, and the defender saves it. Only in Dishwashers League, the defender can become the keeper.
White Chick sends a pass. What a genius goalkeeper. Look at this shit. Men park the bus, women park the plane.